Baby, action speaks louder than words. I want to know that is mine. In the rain, it's always sunshine. And love to keep you warm. That kind of loving that will never go. He was there with me. I know the princess by my side. See it now. The little goldie that's lost her sheep last night. I was there in a wonderland, staring far away. The tree line eyes was here with the wind to tell the teddy bears of days. The teddy bear came smiling here with a big smile. The little goldie that's lost her sheep last night. Alibaba, Alibaba, whoa, whoa, Alibaba. Alibaba and the falls of peace. He was there with me. Music goes back. Love on the creek up on the night. On the silence that's lovers creep up a few. Take the mistake from his weakness too. It's a bigger world until you wanna cry. Hurt yourself, make you wanna lie. Be careful, be careful. Love can hold up you like a deep in the night. Stealing, stealing, stealing. be careful, love get a hold of you, after things in the night. Well, I had a girl who wanted me to do things that I really couldn't do, so I get around a piece of in my home, never to come back anymore. Be careful, love get a hold of you, like a thief in the night. Well, stealing, love on the creep on you tonight. Oh, well, stealing, love, baby, love you, baby, love you, baby. When I used to go to school, you know they taught me the golden rule. They say, son, you never know yourself, because the time to come so we could be free. And now we come to the old park, yeah. We never want to go to the old park, yeah. But now we come to the old park, yeah. I never want to go to the old park, yeah. Lord knows I was born to a while, but now we got to the old park, yeah. I never want to go to the park, yeah. Now we got to the old park, yeah. I never want to go to the park, yeah. No, never want to go to the old park, yeah. No, park, yeah.
Gentlemen, legend Mr. John Holt here at Jerk Fest. We had a wonderful time. Always a wonderful time. Your performance was off the charts this time. It just gets better, like good wine. How are you this evening?
I'm not bad at all. I'm trying to enjoy myself the way the people were enjoying themselves as well. So it's just an enjoyable evening that I'm having.
What do you think of? You've been on stage over 1 million times. What do you think of when you're standing on stage?
Well, what comes to mind is that I like to see people enjoy themselves, and I'm also having fun with it as well. And I know that they're there for me, so therefore I prepare myself for them as well. And we become one whenever I'm there. No separation.
Absolutely. So you become one with the people, and we become one with you because we enjoy your music. We enjoy your music.
That's
Mr.
what
Holt,
I'm saying.
Mr. Holt, I know that I'm not sure if you reside in the United States now. Do you reside here in the United States?
No, I'm in and out. I'm mostly in Jamaica, where the reggae come from.
Where the reggae was born. Good. Well, that's what we want. We want to keep you there, but thanks for sharing yourself here with us in the United States.
Yes.
What do you think about this year's election in the United States?
I think it went good. Winner takes all.
Winner takes all?
Yeah.
And 4 more years? You like
4
that?
more years, yes, I do like that.
What do you see in changing in the music here with the youth today than, when you used to do music? What do you see as the difference, the big factor?
The big factor is that the music of today is in demand, so why not supply it? You know what I mean? And it breaks down from symphony to big jazz band, and it now break down to computer. So therefore, we just have to accept that. And if in future it makes another change to live music, like live musicians playing the drum, the bass, the guitar, the horns, everything, then we'll just have to accept it, because we cannot tell music which direction to go, because it's a very funny thing to angle, you know what I mean? It's full of changes and magic, so you just have to go with the flow of things. And I see reggae getting bigger and bigger and bigger in its own way.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Out of all the places that you've been in the world, what would you say is your favorite place to be?
Jamaica.
So you can't say Jamaica because that's home.
But you see,
Everybody enjoys being home.
I must be truthful.
So even if it's home, that's your favorite place to be? That's your favorite place, even if it's home?
Yes.
As well, you know, you can say whatever you want, Mr. Holt, because, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Holt, living legend. I'm Esther Thomas. See you next time when we rock out in some island somewhere in the world.
You know, John Holt and the Bargains, they just one, number one, original. The original for this song is My Satisfaction. John Holt and the Bargains, until the God Zion is. I am the number one. I'm the original. I'm going to do it for you right now. I don't want to be there with you tonight. I just want to be there to hold you tight. Only you alone really satisfies me. Absolutely, yes I will. I'll be here tomorrow. boss. Yes, boss, yes, boss, yes, boss. Police in helicopter, I search your marijuana. Soldiers in the streets, in the gallery. Policemen in the fields, burning the gallery. But if you continue to burn out the earth, we gonna burn down the things. If you continue to burn out the earth, we gonna burn down the things. What y'all get lost, yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss, yes, boss, yes, boss. Police in helicopter, I swatch your marijuana. Soldiers in the streets, searching for gallery. Policemen in the field, searching for gallery. Continue to burn the earth, we gonna burn down the earth. Continue to